You guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a crazy week. And if this is your first time clicking on my channel, my name is Tania. I'm a part-time reseller. I sell vintage and modern brands on sites like eBay, Etsy, Poshmark. I used to have an antique booth. I might still have an antique booth. I'm looking at other spaces in Los Angeles. So if you know of any cool places that need vendors, comment down below or DM me on Instagram. Also, if you know of any pop-up shops or night markets, they have to be night markets. I can't vend at flea markets because I work weekends. So I work Saturdays and Sundays, but I'm off by 3 p.m. So if there's any like nighttime events that, start like at 5, 6-ish, I'm down. Comment, link me, like let me know if you know of something that's happening where they might be looking for a vintage vendor. Welcome to my new office. I'm so excited to be making this video and to be in this space. It's been a crazy week, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I had to vacate my antique booth. Vacating my antique booth was already in the process. Well, I was going to vacate my 10 by 10 space and move into a smaller unit. And then at the same time, I also gave my notice at my storage unit because the plan was, I was gonna liquidate everything in my booth. I had entirely new inventory set aside that I was going to move into the smaller space that I was gonna move into. And I had like these big plans for like a grand reopening, and I was gonna really hype it up on social media, but that I didn't get a chance to do that. So I had to move out, and I had already given my notice at my storage unit, so I pretty much had nowhere to go. But I got a new office, so I was already looking into this office space. So this is an office inside of an office suite. The vision that I have in my brain is to use this as the working studio, to have somewhere to work out of, because I don't have my own place. Like, I've literally been working out of my bedroom and I've outgrown that space. So this is going to be like my studio where I'm going to be able to take really beautiful photography, and I want to get a desk eventually to be able to list stuff out of here. I'm going to have a storage unit where I can keep my inventory. I'm going to get garment racks to hang up my inventory for like more delicate items like dresses, but like t-shirts and like other stuff. I already like pre-package all of that stuff and put it in a bin, and then when it sells, I just take it out and ship it out. So yeah, it's been a crazy week. I had to move everything out, and like I had to move everything out of my storage unit. So this room is a mess, so I'm not gonna show you what it looks like right now, but I put up my little logo. It's a private office. It's really quiet here, which is a little strange. I'm like trying not to talk too loud, but like the other businesses around here are like insurance offices, and there's like a paralegal. What do you call it? Like a registry? I don't know, but like it's more like those type of offices. So shout out to the property manager who's been super supportive and like fast tracked my application, and he's been helping me. Now I'm dealing with new things like I need to get a business license, so the city needs to come in and inspect the space. That's why I can't use this space as a storage unit. It's an office suite, so everything has to be organized. Even though like I'm not a traditional business, the property manager has been really helpful, and he's like, well, as long as you keep your items on racks, you keep the space clean, you can't stack stuff higher than like eye level, it's cool. You can use the space for whatever you want. So I'm so excited. The only thing is that it's very green in here. I hate the paint and the tile, but once I have my photo backdrop, it's gonna be pink, and I'm gonna alternate between pink and white. I feel like it's gonna look a lot better. And once everything's organized and in its place, everything's gonna run smoothly. So I'm so excited to show you this new phase of my journey. Yeah, like I said, now I'm dealing with, I need to get a business license. I'm in LA County, so the fire department needs to come and inspect and make sure everything's up to fire code. So I have to schedule that, just like dealing with commercial lease application. Like that was a whole brand new experience. I had to get commercial insurance. So yeah, I'm excited to show this part of my journey with you guys. If you guys are interested in any of that, give it a like, comment down below. I mean, all of this is a learning experience for me as well, and I just want to share it with you guys. And you know, the point of my channel, I'm a small little channel. I have like 300 followers. I definitely want to grow this channel, but the point of my channel is to be a resource. Like, I don't want to be a gatekeeper. I want to be a resource to other people, because I'm sure a lot of you will connect with like us, like first generation. Like, we have to figure everything out by ourselves. So if I could help someone like figure it out as well, so maybe they don't feel so lonely, then that's all I want to do. That's the point of my channel. So I just want to thank you guys so much for everyone that was super supportive to me over on Instagram. Here's my Instagram if you want to go follow me and just see more of my stories and day-to-day as I move into this office. I want to thank my friends for being so supportive and helpful. Like, they offered to help me move. They helped me, like, they said if I needed storage, I could store in their garage. Like, I'm just so grateful to them. To my boyfriend, who helped me move everything in and out in a day, and he's so cute. He's gifting me my photo backdrop, so I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so pumped. And I've already been like buying like shelves and bins, and I have another garment rack coming in because I have one that's already filled to the brim, and luckily it's an industrial strength one, so it's not going to collapse. But yeah, if you're gonna buy stuff, invest in industrial grade quality stuff, because like the little flimsy $10 racks at Target are not gonna cut it. Get yourself, invest your money in industrial strength items. So yeah, just want to do a quick video and say thank you guys so much. I'm so excited, and yeah, stay tuned next week for more of a move-in video. And I'm so excited to be able to do more hauls now. As you guys know, I love shopping at the swap meet, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do weekly swap meet hauls now. And yeah, just do more videos, maybe even 2 a week, who knows. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully you hit subscribe and follow me on this journey. And I just want to say that I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for all of us to succeed. That's what my channel is all about. That's what I'm all about. I want to share my journey, but I also want to help you and, you know, promote your business as well, so we can all grow and succeed together. So thank you guys so much, and see you next week. Bye. So this is a tour of the space. It's 140 square feet. It's a small little office. It's empty right now, and I'm gonna start bringing my stuff in. I'm thinking I'm gonna put a photo backdrop there, and that's where I'll take all my pictures. I'll probably put like a little desk up against this wall, and then this is all gonna be like my storage area. So it's a small space, but it's perfect for me, and I'm so excited to get everything organized. The only thing that I dislike is that it's very green in here. It's the green flooring, and I don't like this, what is this called, like trim? I don't know, but I'll make it work.